Okay, so here we have two options. Option one, become a member of the rock climbing gym for $200. So $200 is how much that's going to cost. But then we pay $3 per day for equipment. So we're going to add 3x. X can represent the number of days that you rent equipment for the gym. And we need to identify the variable, so x will equal number of days at the gym. We're coming up with our equation. So if we're a member, it's $200 plus $3 per day. X is the number of days, 3 is the cost per day, and then 3 times X, all of that represents the money you spend in addition to the $200. Now, if we don't become a member, that's going to cost you $5 per day. So $5, X is the number of days, plus $8 per day. It's $5 per day for equipment. Okay, so you see that right here. And it's $8 each day just to climb, just to show up. You don't have to pay that $8 if you're a member. So here we have members and then non-members. And we're trying to figure out which would be better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set these equal to each other and solve for x. Let's see how many days it'll be until the cost is the same. So I'm going to combine like terms on the right side. 13x. Then I'm going to subtract 3x. And we get 200 equals 10x. And then I'm going to divide by 10. And x will equal 200 divided by 10, which is 20. So that tells me is 20 days, the cost will be the same. So that answers, so how many times would you need to go to justify membership? Well, if you're going to get a membership, then you want to go more than 20 times. If you plug, you only pay $3 per day with a membership. Here, you pay $13 per day. So it's going to cost you more per day without a membership. Now, the thing is if you get a membership, it's going to be less money, or it's going to be more money up front. So membership is $200 up front, but over time, you're going to save money because you only pay $3 per day. So if you plan to go more than 20 days, get a membership. If you're going to go less than 20 days, don't get a membership, and then you just need to justify that in your answer. Now, let's say you bought your own equipment. Equipment costs $100. It would be better to purchase your own equipment. Well, that means that you wouldn't have to pay the $3 per day for equipment, and that's how much you would save each day. So what if you don't buy your own equipment, you're going to pay $3 each day. If you do buy your own equipment, you're going to save $3 each day. So let's take 100, set that equal to 3x, divide by 3, x equals 33.3 repeating. So what that means is if you're going to climb at the gym for more than 33 days, it's worth it to buy your own equipment because you're only going to pay $100. But and if you don't purchase your own equipment and you go for 50 days, 300 or 50 times 3 is going to be $150. That's already more than the $100 you're going to spend. So to recap, 20 days, it'll cost the same amount of money. Then justify your answers. If you're going to go more than 20 days, don't become a member. There'd be this here. If you're going to go more than 20 days, go ahead and become a member. And then if you're going to buy your own equipment, make sure you go more than 33 days.